Welcome to KinderMom. As a teacher, KinderMom is here to support you in managing daily classroom tasks, keeping parents informed, and helping you track each child's activities and progress. To get started, your administrator will create your account. If you're an administrator watching this video, refer to the separate video titled KinderMom App for center owners to understand how to set up teacher accounts. Once your account is created, you'll receive login credentials from the administrator, allowing you to log in and access KinderMom's features. In this guide, we'll cover the main features available to you as a teacher, including shortcuts, messages, calendar, classes, student profiles, and more. We'll start with the shortcuts feature, which simplifies daily activities and instantly keeps parents updated. Shortcuts. The Shortcuts menu is your main hub for managing daily activities in KinderMom. Here, you can quickly log various types of activities, mark attendance, and communicate with parents. Every time you save an activity, KinderMom sends a notification to the child's parents, who can then view the update in their timeline. Let's go through each option in the Shortcuts menu, with examples of what parents see when an activity is saved. Photo. Use photo to capture a moment in the classroom, whether it's a child's artwork, group playtime, or a special project. Select photo in the Shortcuts menu, scan the student's QR code or select their name, then take or upload a photo. After saving, parents receive a notification, and the photo appears in their timeline, where they can like or comment on it. Video. For sharing a short video, select Video in the Shortcuts menu. Capture activities like singing, dancing, or special projects. After recording or uploading the video, select the student, add details, and save. Parents will receive a notification, and the video appears in their timeline, where they can interact with it. Activity. The Activity feature lets you log various types of events for each student, keeping parents informed about their child's day in real time. Every time you save an activity, the parent receives a notification and can view the update in their timeline. Let's go through each activity type. Outing. Use Outing to log any field trips, park visits, or excursions outside the center. Enter details about the outing, such as location and purpose, then save. This instantly notifies parents, who can view the outing details on their timeline and feel connected to their child's experiences beyond the classroom. Food. Food allows you to record meals, snacks, or any food-related updates. Log what the child ate, whether it's a regular meal or a special treat, and save the details. Parents will immediately receive a notification with this update, allowing them to stay informed about their child's diet and mealtime activities. Shower, nap, diaper, toilet. These options track daily care activities. Shower, log when a child takes a shower, including any additional notes. Nap, record nap times, including start and end times. Diaper, note any diaper changes, ensuring parents are aware of their child's care. Toilet, record any toilet visits throughout the day. Save each of these entries, and the parent will instantly be notified, with the update showing up in their timeline. Note. Note lets you add general updates or observations about the student's day. This can include personal notes, reminders, or any special comments. Once saved, parents are notified and can read your note in their timeline, helping them feel more connected to their child's overall experience. Overall. The Overall option allows you to select an emoji representing the child's general mood or experience for the day. Choose an emoji that reflects how the child felt throughout the day, save it, and parents will receive a notification. This summary appears in their timeline, providing an at-a-glance view of their child's day. Each of these activities provides parents with timely, meaningful updates, enhancing communication and engagement. The Activity feature allows you to keep parents in the loop while making the child's daily experiences easily accessible and organized in the timeline. Attendance. With Attendance, you can record check-ins, checkouts, and absences. Select the student and choose the relevant option to mark their attendance for the day. This information is sent as a notification to parents, keeping them informed of their child's arrival, departure, or absence status. Message. Message allows you to send direct updates to parents. Select Message in Shortcuts, choose the student, type your message, and send. Parents receive this message as a notification and can reply directly in the app. This feature is perfect for specific updates or follow-ups that may need a response from parents. Calendar. The calendar feature helps you stay organized by showing events scheduled by the administrator, such as holidays, field trips, or special activities. Tap on Calendar to view the full event schedule and prepare accordingly. While you can't create new events, viewing scheduled events ensures that you're always aware of upcoming activities in the center. Classes and student profiles. In the Classes menu, you'll find all the classes you're assigned to. Tap on Classes to view the list of enrolled students. Although only administrators can create classes, you have view-only access to class details and student information, making it easy to stay informed. To access a specific student's profile, select a class, then tap on the student's name. This opens the student profile, which provides key details about the student's activities, attendance, and progress. Here's what you'll find in the student profile: basic information, key details like the student's name, age, and class assignment. Tap the information icon for more details. Daily report, a breakdown of all activities for a specific date, allowing you to review the child's day at a glance. Timeline, a social media style feed of past activities for the student, helping you reflect on their experiences over time. Timeline overview, a summary of recent activities, with icons that turn green when a new activity is recorded for that student. Attendance, an overview of the student's attendance records, including check-ins, check-outs, and absences. The student profile lets you tailor your approach for each child, tracking their unique experiences and supporting their growth. Lost and Found. The Lost and Found menu helps you manage any items left behind by students. If you find an item, log it in this menu with details like the description and date. Parents will be notified, allowing them to easily identify and claim their child's belongings. Literacy Assign and Skill Assign. The Literacy Assign and Skill Assign features let you track each student's development in academic and skill-based areas. Literacy Assign allows you to assign reading, writing, or other literacy goals, helping track each child's academic growth. Skill Assign lets you assign skill-based goals such as social, cognitive, or physical tasks, enabling a personalized approach to development. These features ensure that each child's progress is measured, monitored, and supported, creating a structured learning journey tailored to their needs. Thank you for using KinderMom. With features like shortcuts, messages, calendar, and student profiles, KinderMom is designed to simplify your daily tasks and keep parents engaged in real time. By taking advantage of these tools, you're helping create a connected, supportive environment for children, parents, and teachers alike. We hope this guide provides a clear understanding of your role within KinderMom. Feel free to revisit this video or explore the in-app help if you need additional assistance. Enjoy using KinderMom.